Hello student, myself Dr. Ajit Ingre, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Karzat, District, Ahmednagar. Student, today we discuss on third year BSc Organic Chemistry topic, nucleophilic substitution reaction at aliphatic carbon. What is the learning objective of this lecture? In this lecture we have discussed mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction, the SN2 reaction, the kinetic study of SN2 reaction, mechanism of SN2 reaction, and stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. What is the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction? What is the nucleophilic substitution reaction? The reaction in which one atom or group of atom in the substrate replaced by negatively charged atom or negatively charged group of atom to gives the product. This is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Consider in this reaction atom X, that is known as leaving group in the substrate, replaced by negatively charged atom Y, that is nucleophile, to give substitution product. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. What happened in nucleophilic substitution reaction? The two things happen in nucleophilic substitution reaction: the bond breaking between carbon and leaving group, that is elimination of leaving group, and bond formation between carbon and nucleophile, that is attack of nucleophile. Then three questions arise in mind: when and how carbon leaving group bond is break, when and how carbon nucleophile bond is formed, and what is the energy changes associated during this conversion. In order to answer these three questions, we have studied each and every event which is occurred during this reaction, that is the mechanism of reaction. Nowadays the powerful microscope are available, but we cannot see the reacting molecule under the microscope. In order to study the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction, we study the given reaction under the different sets of experimental condition, like changing the nature of nucleophile, changing the nature of substrate, changing the leaving group, changing the solvent of reaction, and changing the temperature. By studying this experimental set of condition, we propose the three different mechanisms for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Consider the first mechanism. In this mechanism, the nucleophile first attack on carbon and make a bond to give this intermediate. In second step, the breaking of bond between leaving group and carbon atom occurs to give substitution product. In this mechanism, in the first step, bond formation occurs between carbon and nucleophile. And in second step, the bond breaking between carbon and leaving group occurs to give substitution product. But this type of mechanism is ruled out. This type of mechanism is not possible because the intermediate form in this reaction, in this intermediate, carbon atom have 5 bonds. The maximum valency of carbon is 4. Therefore, formation of such intermediate is not possible. Such a type of mechanism not possible for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Consider the second type of mechanism. In this mechanism, the nucleophilic attack on carbon atom occurs from the backside of carbon leaving group bond. The bond formation between carbon atom and nucleophile occurs at the same time. There is a bond breaking between carbon and leaving group occurs. That is, the bond formation between carbon and nucleophile and bond breaking between carbon and leaving group are simultaneously occur. That is, bond breaking and bond breaking are concerted process. To give this transition state break down to give the substitution product. In this mechanism, bond formation, bond breaking is a concerted process. It is a one-step reaction. It proceeding through transition state. This type of mechanism is called SN2 mechanism. Then consider the third possible mechanism. In first step, that is a slow step, rate determining step, bond breaking between carbon and leaving group occurs to give positively charged intermediate, that is known as carbocation. In second step, the nucleophilic attack occurs on carbocation, that is a bond formation between nucleophile and carbon atom. This is the first step to give the substitution product. This mechanism is a two-step mechanism proceeding through the carbocation intermediate. This mechanism is called SN1 mechanism. Out of the three mechanisms, the first mechanism is not possible due to formation of intermediate in which carbon atom make the 5 bond, but the mechanism second, which is SN2 mechanism, and mechanism third, that is SN1 mechanism, are possible mechanism for the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then what is the SN2 reaction? What is the SN2 reaction? S stand for substitution, N stand for nucleophilic, and 2 stand for bimolecular reaction. The nucleophilic substitution bimolecular reaction is called SN2 reaction. Consider the example. The hydrolysis of methyl chloride with aqueous NaOH to give methanol product. It is an example of SN2 reaction. Methyl chloride is a substrate, hydroxide anion is a nucleophile, and methanol is the product. The atom Cl in the substrate replaced by negatively charged nucleophile hydroxide to give product. This is an example of SN2 reaction. What is the kinetic study of SN2 reaction? In SN2 reaction, in a slow step, the bond breaking between carbon and leaving group occurs. At the same time, bond formation between carbon and nucleophile occurs. Thus, rate of SN2 reaction is directly proportional to concentration of substrate as well as the concentration of nucleophile. The rate of SN2 reaction depends on two concentration, the concentration of substrate and the concentration of nucleophile. Thus it is second order reaction, it is bimolecular reaction. Thus 2 in SN2 reaction stand the bimolecular reaction. The rate of SN2 reaction depends on two concentration, the concentration of substrate and concentration of nucleophile. Then what is the mechanism of SN2 reaction? In slow step, there is a bond breaking and bond formation occurs in SN2 reaction. On the basis of kinetic study, the scientists in gold propose the mechanism of SN2 reaction. This is the proposed mechanism of SN2 reaction. The nucleophile Y attack on carbon from the backside of carbon leaving group bond. If the partial bond formation start between nucleophile and carbon atom, at the same time the partial bond breaking occurs between carbon and leaving group to form this transition state. In this transition state, nucleophile and leaving groups are partially bonded with carbon atom. This transition state collapses to give the substitution product. What is the characteristic feature of mechanism of SN2 reaction? The bond breaking between carbon and leaving group and bond formation between carbon and nucleophile occurs in slow step. SN2 reaction involves the backside attack of nucleophile. Bond formation and bond breaking is a concerted process. This reaction is a one-step reaction. It has one-step mechanism and proceeding through the transition state. This is the proposed mechanism of SN2 reaction. The backside of attack backside attack of nucleophile occurs from the carbon-bromine bond, the carbon leaving group bond. If the partial bond formation start between carbon and nucleophile, at the same time partial bond breaking start to make transition state. This transition state collapse to give the substitution product. Then what is the transition state of SN2 reaction? This is the transition state of SN2 reaction. The nucleophilic attack occurs from the backside of the carbon leaving group bond. If the partial bond formation between this nucleophile and carbon atom start at the same time, partial bond breaking between carbon and leaving group occurs to give this transition state. This is the transition state. In this transition state of SN2 reaction, carbon atom is bonded to 5 atoms, 3 hydrogen, 1 nucleophile hydroxide and 1 leaving group chloride ion. The 3 hydrogen atom and carbon atom, they are lie in one plane, and the plane containing leaving group and nucleophile, they are perpendicular to the plane containing 3 hydrogen atom. During the formation of this transition state, the hybridization of carbon atom in substrate changes from sp3 to sp2. If this transition state is collapse into the product, then hybridization again changes from sp2 to sp3. Why in SN2 reaction the backside attack of nucleophile is occurs? In SN2 reaction, the backside attack is energetically favorable because there is less steric hindrance in backside attack of the SN2 reaction. The nucleophile easily attack from the backside because leaving group and nucleophile, they are apart from each other. There is no steric hindrance and gives the transition state. This transition state is a less energetic transition state. The backside attack of nucleophile occurs to give transition state. This transition state is a less energy transition state. The backside attack is favorable because of there is no steric hindrance as well as no dipole repulsion between leaving group and nucleophile. The leaving group and nucleophile are apart from each other. There is no steric hindrance and no dipole repulsion. Due to this reason, SN2 reaction involves the backside attack. Why the front side attack is not occurs? Due to the steric hindrance and dipole repulsion. Leaving group and nucleophile both are large atom, both are present on same side. There is lot of steric hindrance between them and both are partially negative. Due to this reason, there is a dipole repulsion occurs between nucleophile and leaving group. Due to the steric hindrance and dipole repulsion, the front side attack is energetically not favorable. The front side attack gives high energy transition state. The quantum study show that in SN2 reaction, backside attack gives less energy transition state and it is a favorable. The front side attack gives high energy transition state and which is energetically not favorable. What is the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction? We already discussed. In SN2 reaction, nucleophilic attack occurs from the backside. Due to the backside attack of nucleophile, if optically active substrate undergoes SN2 reaction to give product with inversion of configuration. In SN2 reaction, the complete stereochemical inversion of configuration occurs. If optically active substrate have R configuration which undergoes SN2 reaction, the product is formed whose configuration is completely opposite. The product has S configuration. Consider the example, conversion of R to bromobutane into the S to butanol. It is an example of SN2 reaction. The optically active substrate R to bromobutane on reaction with hydroxide nucleophile to give product whose configuration is completely opposite to the configuration of reactant. This is the experimental support for the inversion of configuration in SN2 reaction. But on the basis of this example, we cannot prove SN2 reaction involves the backside attack and it involves the inversion of configuration, because reactant and product both are different. Reactant is alkyl bromide, product is alcohol, both are different product, different compound have different optical rotation. In order to prove inversion of configuration and backside attack of nucleophile in SN2 reaction, we use the three-step reaction sequence in which optically active reactant R1-phenyl 2-propanol can be converted into the S1-phenyl 2-propanol. This is the three-step reaction sequence which is used to prove experimentally in SN2 reaction inversion of configuration occurs and the backside attack of nucleophile occurs. In the first step, the alcohol can be alcohol on reaction with tosyl chloride, the paratoluene sulfonyl chloride to give tosylate. In second step, this tosylate on reaction with acetate, this is the SN2 reaction, to give the acetate product, and this acetate on hydrolysis to give product alcohol, which is enantiomer of the reactant. The reactant and product have equal and opposite sign of optical rotation. In this three-step reaction sequence, in the first step, there is no bond breaking between carbon. There is no bond attached to the asymmetric carbon is break. The bond break between oxygen and hydrogen to make the tosylate. In this reaction, the configuration of chiral carbon, the configuration of this chiral carbon is retained. There is no change in configuration because the bond attached to asymmetric carbon atom does not break. In second step, if the nucleophilic attack of acetate occurs from the backside and tosylate group is replaced to give acetate, the change in configuration of chiral carbon is occurs. The completely configuration of chiral carbon is inverted. In third step, the hydrolysis of acetate occurs to give the product which is enantiomer of the reactant. In this third step, again there is no bond break between chiral carbon. The no bond attached to chiral carbon is a break. On the basis of this three-step reaction sequence, in the steps 2 only involves the backside attack of nucleophile and the bond attached to chiral carbon is break and inversion of configuration is occurs. This experimental evidence, this experiment show that in only SN2 reaction the inversion of configuration is occurs, and this inversion of configuration occurs due to the backside attack of nucleophile. On the basis of this experiment, we can prove that in SN2 reaction the backside attack of nucleophile is occurs and optically active substrate undergoes SN2 reaction with complete inversion of configuration. Then what is the energy profile diagram for SN2 reaction? The graph which is obtained by plotting potential energy changes of reaction against the reaction coordinate, the graph is obtained which is known as energy profile diagram. This is the energy profile diagram for SN2 reaction. As a nucleophile approaches to the carbon, energy of the given reaction increases to make this transition state. Then this transition state collapse to give the substitution product. In this lecture we have discussed in detail SN2 reaction, then kinetic study of SN2 reaction. The kinetic study of SN2 reaction show that the rate of SN2 reaction is directly proportional to concentration of substrate as well as concentration of nucleophile. Thus SN2 reaction is a bimolecular reaction. Then we have discussed the mechanism of SN2 reaction. The mechanism of SN2 reaction is a one-step mechanism. The bond formation between carbon atom and nucleophile and bond breaking between carbon atom and leaving group occurs simultaneously. That is the concerted process. SN2 reaction proceeding through the transition state. And lastly, we have discussed stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. Due to the backside attack of nucleophile, optically active substrate undergoes SN2 reaction with complete inversion of configuration. Thank you very much.